Just finished this little beauty. This Kyanite pendulum has Denim Lapis and Labradorite to enhance the energy. It is wrapped in a sacred silver wire weave attached to a 7-chakra chain by a lobster clasp so that you can remove this and wear it as a pendant as well, having your pendulum close to you at all times. The fob, oh, I just love this fob. It consists of so many things: turquoise, malachite, onyx, rose quartz, more denim lapis, jade, ocean jasper, and then we've got garnet, peridot, more denim lapis. It is a beauty. So check it out on my Facebook page, Pendulum Pixie.